How to use Wiki as a student. Let's take a look at how to use Moodle Wiki as a learner. The first thing is to find the link to the wiki on the Moodle site for your class and click into it. A wiki is like a very basic mini website, in this case one that lives inside Moodle. It has a home page that you see here, and anyone in the class can add or edit different pages and links to build the wiki together. If this is for a class project, the home page of wiki may have links on it to pages for each student. If each student is going to have their own section of the wiki to work in, or it might have links for different topics. If the page that you need to work on already exists, just click the link and then the edit tab here and add whatever you need to and then click save. If the link is red and italic like this, just means that you will be the first person working on that page. So just go ahead and click through and click create page. Then you will be able to add content to it. Remember that while multiple people can edit a wiki, only one person can edit a page at a time. Let's look at how to add a link to a new page. For example, if you need to add a page for yourself or for your topic and want it linked to form the home page. On the home page or whatever page you want the link to the new page to live on, you click the edit tab and put what you want the new page to be called inside of double square brackets like this. Save it and then you will see the words are red italics. This means the page is ready to be created whenever the next person clicks into it. So let's click it, click create page, and then you can go ahead and enter your information. And remember that this new page can also have links of it. So you can really build a whole little website on here. According to the text editor used in Moodle course by your teacher, the file uploading process changes. I'll show you the difference here by changing the text editor to TinyMCE and the default editor Atto. The text editors Moodle uses are very versatile and you can insert images, media and links into these wiki pages. To put an image, click this little add image icon. If you are browsing one from different website, you can insert the URL here. If you have one on your computer, click find or upload an image. You can upload one from your computer or not that. You can also link Moodle to your Google Drive or Dropbox and grab one from there. This is a one at a time thing, unfortunately. One thing be aware of is the size of your image files, because if they are too big, it's going to bog down the whole wiki page. The images don't need to be any bigger than 500 pixels wide, which is about the width of the wiki. So if you are using large, high quality images, I recommend you size them down on your computer before bringing them into the Moodle. There are appearance options here, but this doesn't actually reduce the size of the image file. So even though it looks smaller, it will still take a long time to load and will slow down the whole page. If you have a video or audio file of your own, you can use the insert media button here and then upload it to the Moodle button. When you are working with the default Atto editor, first of all you have to go to the YouTube link and then click on share and then embed video. Then you have to copy the HTML code given there and then paste it in the Atto editor. Before pasting it, you have to click on the HTML icon. Then paste your code. Thereafter you can again click back on the HTML icon. Now you will see the video has successfully embedded there. If you want to insert a video from YouTube, it's super easy. In the TinyMCE editor, you just all need to do is paste in the URL and when you save the page, it will magically embed. Again, just remember that the more media or image files you have living on these pages, the slower they will be load. Moodle is not that much good in handling large amount of media. If you can have them live elsewhere, like on YouTube or SoundCloud, and then just embed them into the wiki, it will be much faster and happier. To add a link, just highlight the words you want to make a link and click the link button here. Paste in the URL here and click the insert. To link a file such as a document or presentation, start the same way. Then click this little button here and then you can either upload a file from your PC or pick one from the given repositories. also, especially when you are using TinyMCE editor, you will find this edit file option. There you can upload the files into this files tab, and thereby you can copy the link address to it and then use that as a hyperlink to the word you use in the text area. So as you can see, in both ways I can download the presentation file. So as you can see, although wiki looks pretty basic, nothing fancy, it can do a lot and you have a lot of flexibility to add in content. The wiki does save a revision history, so if you mess something up, just let your instructor know and they should be able to revert it back to previous version.